All right, so with the rise of AI agents, which I've become slightly fascinated with recently, I wanted to see if there are really AI agent, as it says architect, engineers, or whatever the role was in the real world, and there are. It exists. However, it's highly technical, right? These are MLEs. These are MLEs. Over here, right here, we have N8N. This is a no code, low code. It's really low code. It's not, well, it's almost no code tool for building AI agents. And to be quite honest, you can do just about everything you can here as you can with whatever tool they want you to use. However, with this tool, you won't be working in any real world job, right? You'll be working for Fiverr, whatever. What's Upwork, right? Upwork's another one. I don't know what's out there now. You'll be working here. And apparently, there are a lot of people here making some decent salaries, 150 plus. Over here, though, this is for, uh, I think the salary's around 280 to 350. That's what I remember. So the path will be up to you, right? Could you drop everything right now and become an AI agent engineer on N8N? Yeah, you could. You would have to get all your own work, but I think it's possible. There are people doing it. However, if you wanted to go the MLE route, right, it's going to take a lot more time, right? It's going to take the progression that I talk about from data analyst or another data role to MLE. And then you would want to focus on NLP, and then inside of NLP are LLMs, large language models, right? Because all AI agents, right? All AI agents, the brain for all AI agents are LLMs. All right. So yes, the roles do exist. They're pretty big, nice salaries, but you're going to have to be a machine learning engineer, and you're going to. And here you can see it's not just Snowflake and Oracle, so they expect you're going to hook up to relational databases. So you're going to have to know SQL, obviously. I'm sure you're tired of hearing that, but you know it. Here we've got Cloud Platform, SageMaker. What are they building their? Doesn't say what tool they're using to. Or maybe they're just going to use uh, notebooks. Yep, looks like they're probably just going to use notebooks to build their agentic workflows. The job does exist. It is within the MLE role. It's going to take a long time to get there. There are other options, right? These other options probably a lot more work, but it looks like it's very possible. All right. So, what else? Don't sleep on my newsletter. Newsletter. Guess what the last one was about? An introduction to AI agents, where we talked about the three core things that all AI agents have. What's coming out tomorrow? Entry level tech is dead. Again, I'm not going to say anything about it. Let you read it and you decide. What's coming out Wednesday? Wednesday. The new grads guide to landing a data analyst role. And I've done this before. But a lot of you aren't getting it. No, so I'm going to break it down even further. What's the first thing you do? You take a SQL course. You take an SQL course. And then what's number two? You download the study guide for the course. And then you fill it in. Then what's the next thing you do? Then you download the GPT I authored. And then you answer, or you should be able to answer every one of those questions before you move on to the next course. All right, so it will be really granular. All right, so sign up the newsletter. You see, look at all this is these are archived. These are things you can read right now. Gradient boosters, pretty cool. Focus on the 1%. The top scam in artificial intelligence. All these are live. These are live, and you can read these right now. I will put the sign up in the comment section. In the comment section, right? And it's free. It's free. All right. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.